Hello viewers, what's up here? I'm sajidz with you in this video, and in this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can change the home screen of your WhatsApp, and you can add a background. It will be a color or an image in your home screen. How? So in this video I'm gonna show it, because in the app of the WhatsApp they have only one option and you can change the background of your WhatsApp. I just show you guys a trick. By that you can create this and you can customize your WhatsApp home screen background by any color or an image. So without further delay, let's get started. Before that here, I request you guys, if you are not already a subscriber of my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and if you do so thanks a lot. Start it. So first of all here, this is the WhatsApp app for my Android mobile phone, and here I use it for more than 1 year. So here I have add a lot of chats in my WhatsApp, so that what I have to do is that we need some backup of our WhatsApp. So go to the settings. If you want the chats backup of your, so here just go to here to the chat option and go to the chat backup. From here click on the backup and it will be backup all the information, all the chats of your here, and after that we will start it to the backup is there. And here now after backing up there, if you have any video you want to edit, then just check it there. And so after that here what you have to do is that I just uninstall this WhatsApp app from here my Android mobile, and after just uninstalling it, here you need to install another WhatsApp here, and here I have already installed it there, and I'll give you the link in the description is that for WhatsApp. And here my installation of WhatsApp is installed only and it's done here. Now here my WhatsApp is there, and go to the WhatsApp is there, and here it is. This is my WhatsApp, and here this WhatsApp is more updated, and here you will get a lot of options here. And here there are the restore options are there. As you are restored here, the time you need to just restore here, just click on the agree and continue is there, and click on the continue, and here all the process you know. Here you need to just add a phone number is there, and here is the phone number. And here you need the backup is the backup found here. Restore your messages and media from your phone internal storage. If you do not restore now, you won't be able to restore later. So click here the restore, so that your all backups are whose the chats are here, all the chats or the medias are backup here in this WhatsApp app. Now just click on the next here. This is my name is here, the sajidz here. I just rename it here, the next here, and it's my all the installation issue will be down there. And here the backup is the daily, weekly. I just select the backup as daily because I need the backup of my WhatsApp there. My information are so important, so choose an email ID, the Gmail ID for you, that will be backup your all the information, the details of WhatsApp in your Google Drive. It will not in your internal or external storage, it will be in the Google Cloud storage. Now click on the done, and here update the WhatsApp, the cancel, please cancel it there. Now just close it there, and here it is, my WhatsApp is down there. Now what you have to do is that here the chat home screen here, and here you will get a lot of options than the previous here. Here I have an option called the forward mode. Here you need to just click on the forward mode from there, and here the support, update, the universal home screen, conversation screen, floating action button, all the options are there. Click on the universal screen is there, and here there have 3 modes, the color, style, and the modes. The color, you need to just select the color from there, and from here you need to just click on the background, and there have 3 options, solid, gradient, and photos. If you click on the solid, the time you need to just select an background color from here, and if you just select here the gradient, the time color, another in another color. If you select on the photos, the time you can select a photos from the gallery or others where you want. And here I just select this wallpaper from here, and here it is. Now click on the set and it will be set there as a wallpaper in my here, and here it is. My home screen is here all over. So that's it from me guys till now. So if you guys just like this video, then I request you guys please give a thumbs up in this video, and so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, goodbye, see you soon, have a nice day.